Alright, we're going to unplug our dryer first. We don't want to get shocked. Alright, so we have a Amana dryer. As it seats how it is, of course there's 2 screws in the filter. We have 2 of these on the back end as well. So one here and one there. And then it's off. Now, truthfully, a lot of the times these are much more difficult to take off, but to really show you, I'll show you guys again, but you want to try and maybe get under there with your thumb and then just give it as best as you can, and it just comes right off. The screws are out. What you're going to do, you're just going to pull it forward. Okay. And now, this is one of those models where the safety is right there. So it's these little teeth that this square hole is going to go into. So, right there. Take this guy out. I got the old one off, sorry. This is the new one. So when you put the new one in, you gotta make sure, clamp this down to this hole. Just like that. Boom. And now you should have good resistance on that. These are important. If you lose this, just you gotta grab it again because it has to connect over here, or has to connect over here. Alright, unit's fully put back together. We got it plugged back in. We see the drum is spinning, so it's proper. We're gonna test it with the door open. Just hold that switch in, press start. And as we can see, the drum is properly spinning now. Unit now functions as it should.